dancers, welcome back. My name is Veronica, coming to you from Image Ballroom Dance Academy. Today I will be focusing on your cross basic using the Guapacha timing in international style cha-cha. Let's go. Today we'll be discussing the cross basic, and I'm going to be using the Guapacha timing in international style cha-cha. It is super fun, so let's take a look at the steps first. Here are my leader steps. So I'm going to have your weight on the right leg. You're going to go forward towards your check position, and you're going to go left foot in front, check to your left leg, replace your weight back to your right. Gradually turn to the left, and you're going to do a chasse. Left, right, left. From here, you're going to take a rock step back with the right foot. Right, left, replace the weight, rotate to your left to do a chasse. Right, left, and right. All right, let's take a look at the follower steps now with the same view. So I'd like you to start on your left. You're going to start with the rock step back followers. So you're going to take the right foot back, and you're going to place the weight to your right leg, and now replace the weight forward to the left. You're going to rotate over the left shoulder to do a chasse to the right, right, together, right. You're going to continue with a forward check with your left foot first. So send the left foot forward, check position. You're going to replace your weight back to your right, slightly start to rotate, and now do a chasse to your left. Left, right, left. And that is the pattern for your cross basic with Guapacha timing. All right, now let's discuss the timing. So we will be using the Guapacha timing today. So the Guapacha timing, we're going to have a slight hold. So as you're preparing here on your right leg leaders, you're going to have two. You're going to hold that beat. And then you're going to go forward, A3. So you're going to go A3, which will make this action faster. Then you do a chasse to the left, 4 and 1. Hold, 2, stretch it longer. Now you're going to do a rock step back on A3. So you're going to go A3. And then you finish with a chasse to the right, 4 and 1. So in the Guapacha timing, we hold the count 2, and then we accelerate on A3. Let's take a look at the follower side now. So place your weight onto the left, hold 2, A3. Now you do a chasse to the right, 4 and 1. Hold 2, A3, and do a chasse to the left, 4 and 1. So that's our Guapacha timing. Let me give you some basic tips for a great execution of this cross basic with the Guapacha timing. So the main thing about the Guapacha timing, once you make the A3 step, I really want you to only commit hip weight and not so much of the body weight and the spine weight behind the step. So let me demonstrate. So leader side would be, as you're here on 2, really stretch and keep your body energized. And then right here, you want to make sure that it's only the hip weight traveling forward, A3, and then immediately you replace your weight back really fast to your 3 count. Also notice that my 3 slightly gradually already turned, which indicates for my followers a trap that I need them to curve. Then I do my 4 and 1. Keep the 2 very active and stretchy. 2, and as you rock back, you only want to send the hip weight to your right leg. So what I do that helps me do that is I keep my heel up on the up because it's a very short beat. So I go 3, and then immediately I replace my weight forward to my left leg. And then I rotate, and do my chassé 4 and 1. So now let me do the follower side so you can see it from a different perspective. So I have 2, I stretch my count, I stretch my body, and then I go 3. So I really show off my hip there. Then I rotate 4 and 1, 2, 3. And I only sent my left hip to the check position. And now I continue 4 and 1. Now let us demonstrate together with the partner the cross basic with the Guapacha timing. So we're going to go to the side on the count 2 and hold it. 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Let us demonstrate from this view. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Thank you very much for joining us today, and we hope to see you on our next video.